Schönen Abend hier, danke für die Genosse, awe den Noticiacla live in Amberta, titula claim de conversando awe con un artista internacional aqui na Aruba. Probabilmente conversar con ele, e mi discorso ultimo viaje, mi chiama Bombini na Ma Li China Latina. Ma Li, thank you for being here with us today in Noticiacla live. Glad to have you with us today. How are you doing?
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Salute, and thank you very much. I have opportunity here.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay. So tell me, my first question when I have a person for the first time in my studio, I ask him a very simple question.
Okay.
Who is Ma Li China Latina? And the answer is?
Okay, I'm origin from China, but I've been live Aruba many years.
Okay.
And lately, I start to have a production with music with the Spanish language, reggaeton, salsa, merengue, and now I even have dembow.
Okay. So you live on the island, but you have an international career. So how does that work actually for you?
Because I've been in Colombia, and I started work with the Universal,
Okay.
and they have a lot of talent people to support me,
And if you get a bit closer to the microphone.
to support me
Okay. All right.
to start my career as something different. Not Chinese people, not so many Chinese people singing Spanish,
Okay.
but they are very interesting
Very
with
interesting.
different language like
Okay.
Chinese and Spanish.
How long have you been doing this? You live in Aruba. How long have you been singing? And tell me much about how the start of your career was.
Yeah, I was start singing was very young age, but after I came Aruba, I also singing different cruise ship. I sing restaurant. I sing different place. And it's a long story, but after I started some business, and gotta have a perfect time for you.
Okay.
I think lately, like 3 years ago, I think the universe gave me message. It's like I start over again with the music.
Okay. So how did your career actually start? You had a dream. That's your voice. How did your career start?
I think to be artist, you need to have a gift from God.
Okay.
Gift, and I do have that talent. I have the voice. But when I was like 3 years old, I already tell my mom, I'm gonna be a star. I'm gonna be a singer. Dear,
And what did she say when she heard that? She's like, no way. You should study something else. How did she take that?
yeah, my family knows in China, we are very, very focused, the kids with the music.
Okay.
Everybody home, they are not, wealthy. They are very normal family, but everybody home have one piano. This is China.
Okay. So everybody has a music instrument actually then.
Yeah, they learn all from a young age.
Okay. I've seen some videos. I will be publishing one of them right now. But how many videos have you made so far? Have you made records? How does that go?
I've been have like maybe about a 10 video clip already.
Okay. And the interesting part is you're Chinese, but your name is China Latina. Why Spanish?
And actually, I like that the language, the language with the music.
Okay.
It's very romantic. It's something attract me to have challenge.
Okay.
But 3 years ago, I even not speak Spanish.
Wow. Okay,
and but everything you love, and you focus.
So 3 years ago you started speaking Spanish,
Yeah,
and now you are singing in Spanish.
I sing
And
better than speak.
Spanish. Yeah, okay, and you even went. Was your name always China Latina, or was it something different? And on the way you changed it like 3 years ago, or how did that work?
No, my really name is my first name is Li. my family name is Ma.
Okay.
But you know, in China, we always call a family name in front.
Okay.
And Ma Li. That's
Li.
my real name.
Okay.
And then first, my artist name is Ma Li. But since I sing in Spanish with Chinese, people say, wow, you are China Latina. That's come out.
And you kept it, and that's what your name is.
Yeah.
Right now. Okay. So what do you do? How is your life normally? Do you go on tour? Do you sing in for parties, specials, concerts? How does that work for you right now?
I started singing some in Colombia in some event, some discotheque.
Okay.
I went in Colombia like a 4 music war.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of award was that?
As Golden Michael Music, also as Baisa Thailand.
Wow.
I went the mejor urban artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a video of you. Let me see which one it is. I think it is the one, Esta Noche. It's about people dancing. Tell me about that video before we show it to the people.
Okay, Esta Noche is electronic song.
Okay.
With 2 languages, with the Spanish and Chinese, which is more international, and as Chinese people also getting know, mixed with the Spanish is something different. Mm-hmm. But I would like to show people my other song is called Tempo, Chinita Perdida.
Okay. Where can they see these videos?
In YouTube.
In YouTube. Okay, well, I'm going to prepare, first of all, I'm going to prepare the one that I prepared for you.
Okay.
And then see what people think of the video. Mm-hmm. And we're going to show it right now if everything's okay. Let me put it here for you right away. While I'm working on this, I'm going to get this done for you so that we have the right video to show right now. Give me 1 minute and I will be able to do it for you. All right. We are almost ready to show you the video, and if all goes right, we'll be shooting the video right now. Here we go. All right. And this is the video that we're going to show you for right now. Boom. And here we go.
Tú conmigo siempre. Eso movimiento sensual, pone mi cuerpo caliente, ahí es cuando no puedo controlar. Tú conmigo siempre, eso movimiento sensual, pone mi cuerpo caliente, ahí es cuando no puedo controlar. Si tú quieres ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar. Esta noche vamos a disfrutar. Esta noche ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar. Esta noche ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar. Ma Li China Latina.午夜的街头，与我沉沉的冷漠，那驱散不尽的冷风，打动我尚未完结的梦。午夜的街头，多少故事在其中，把即将熄灭的念头提醒我剧中的时候。Si tú quieres ven conmigo, vamos a.
Okay, there was was part of the video. Very nice. It was done in Colombia, I imagine. This video, where was this video made?
In Colombia, Medellin.
Okay.
Medellin.
What I also noticed is that you sing two languages. You sing in Chinese and you sing in Spanish.
Yes.
It's a combination, right?
Yes, mostly all my songs mix with the two language.
Okay. So now you're only singing this way, only singing combination of Chinese and Spanish, a mix. So no video is just Spanish or no video is just Chinese. It's either one or together, you mix them, and these are all your videos.
Some songs even mix with English and pavimento.
Pavimento?
Yeah,
okay.
It's a little bit. I have a song called Coconut, and that's with the pavimento, because the video clip I'm going to do in Aruba.
Okay. So when are you going to make the video? When is this going to happen?
The song is released already, but now we are busy with the video clip.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Another one is present Aruba, tropical, beautiful beach, and because I'm doing in the album with all the fruit. Mango, coconut, padilla, banana, limon.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you so much for coming here today. So if a person wants to see more of your video, they go on YouTube and they type in Ma Li China Latina, and all your videos show up if all is right.
On the YouTube, it's called Ma Li Official.
Ma Li Official. And then all the videos pop up.
Yes. I have salsa, merengue, dembow, cumbia, a different rhythm.
Okay.
And Instagram, you can follow me. It's called MAH_LIIE.
Okay.
MAH_LIIE. Also can follow me on Spotify.
Okay, nice. Well, thank you so much for coming here today.
Thank you.
We will make this happen, and good luck with the things. And we were very impressed that you have living in Aruba and doing all these things international. So again, thank you so much for coming here today.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Tawata pues Ma Li, kuta China Latina, un artista local, vivendo na Aruba, trabajando video clip lang international na idioma chines, espanhol e também inglês e papiamento, e bubuak hope din ang riba Spotify, riba YouTube, riba Instagram, e la mencionan que datos te pueden nombrar trobe para lo que te artista local Ma Li, la China Latina. Danke por te conos, queda pendiente para más y nos buena programación a través de Noticiacla.com.